when you get your Jetson Jupiter scooter, it doesn't come. Now here's a little trick. Get a piece of tape to hold the screw in place. Oh, come on, that easy? Then take the scooter, slide it in until you see the hole. Insert the screw. And I have a ratcheting screwdriver. I think there we go. We finally got it. And it's tight. Flip it over, remove the screw, and that was the easiest way of installing it. One little piece of tape and you didn't have to fight with it. The only thing you got to fight with is trying to get the screw into the nut on the other side. Hope that was helpful.